Ghosts and ghouls aren't the only ones getting ready for their favorite day, so are bugs. Check out a few tips to keep creepy crawlies from bugging you this Halloween. 1. Wait to carve your pumpkin. Carved pumpkins can attract bugs, so wait until a few days before Halloween to carve them. This will keep them fresh and limit the pest activity. 2. Eliminate leaf litter. Pests use leaves as shelter and a breeding location. Remove leaves and leaf litter to reduce hiding spots for bugs. 3. Check decorations for bugs. Decorations are typically stored in areas where bugs frequent, basements and attics. Before pulling everything out, check for pests. Storing your items in plastic bins with lids will help to keep them safe from bugs. 4. Inspect costumes. Some pests, like bed bugs, hitch a ride on fabrics. Before buying or pulling a costume out of storage, check for signs of pests. Washing them can also help to prevent a bug problem. 5. Don't feed bugs. Bugs like candy too. Leaving it outside can attract pests. Make sure to bring it in when you're done and store any leftovers in sealed containers. 6. Spray bugs away. Even with cooler temperatures, mosquitoes could be lurking around. Our natural insect repellent will help to keep these bloodsuckers away. 7. Don't invite bugs into your home. Limit how often and how long you leave your door open. This will help to prevent bugs from sneaking inside. You can also apply a plant-based insecticide spray, like home bug spray, near your door to create a protective barrier. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website, maggiesfarmproducts.com.